Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In the previous video, we learned about connecting to a data source in Power BI desktop. In this video, we will be learning about what is data transformation, what is the need of data transformation, and about data transformation process. Data transformation is the process of making your raw data clean and usable for analysis. We do this by performing actions like cleaning, filtering, removing errors, fixing missing values, basically preparing the data so that it works perfectly with your visuals and models. Now you might wonder, why do we need it? Well, raw data is usually messy. It can have duplicate records, errors, empty cells, wrong formats, and using such data directly can give you wrong insights. So transforming the data is super important to make sure your reports are accurate and meaningful. Power BI gives us a powerful tool for data transformation process. It is called as Power Query Editor. Inside Power Query Editor, we can remove errors, filter rows, replace values, change data types, split and merge columns, and much more. All these steps help us get data ready for modeling stage. And that's it. In the next video, we will explore about Power Query Editor interface. I will show you how to use Power Query Editor step by step. Thank you for watching.